Hi, my name is David from Well Architect. Some know me as Shark FM. Today I'm going to share something which are not related to a stock investment, but it's related to your life, which are very, very important. Emotions, to me, is your life, and it determines whether it's going to be successful or not. I'm going to put it into one single triangle whereby for you to ease to understand, and I call it as the emotion triangle. If you see my title here, emotions equals to life. Now, every day there are many events happening around us, and some are through us itself that affect your whole life. But have you really think about it before, that whenever an incident happens, it all falls under this triangle? How do you see it? Now, A is an incident, it's an event that happens around you or to you. Then what happens? Most of the people, where you let the life control you, is whereby you're going to directly go to the outcome. For example, you are walking on the road, a bypasser without any reason scold you and very badly. Normal people reactions will determine directly from the outcome itself, whereby they're going to scold him back because the emotion immediately take over it. Alright, so that is majority of the people. When you engage in this kind of hostile situations where itself, then you're going to have an argument with this bystander itself. Alright, so it may actually trigger something or some event that you don't want to happen to you. But if you put it another way around and look at this, what if the bypasser, out of a reason, no reasons, just scold you, but instead you respond directly, emotionally, you think about that. You come to this perception first. Your perception is whether you can decide this person is really scolding me, or this person is actually talking over the phone, scolding somewhere else, or this person has something to do with mental, or you can actually just ignore it. If you just ignore it, process it through your mind, you have a different perception that will determine a different outcome. Now you can see clearly from there itself, basically whatever happened to your life has no meaning, it's neutral, until you form a perception to it and respond to it. So today, if you want to control your life, you need to control your emotions. Wherever anything happens surrounding you or to you, instead of directly respond it through your emotions, you should respond it to your perceptions on the negative side or on the positive side. Then only you go to the outcome. So a good way to control your emotion is always when the incident happens which you could not control at all, you can control it through the perception that is going to form inside you, and you control the outcome, not the incidents control the outcome directly. So in other words, don't let incidents that you cannot control your outcome. You yourself should control your emotions, and you will control your life. I give you an example. Today, if you are happy and you go into a room full of mirror, what you see inside you is everybody inside that room is happy. The world is a mirror. But instead, today you go into the room full of mirror, you are full of anger, frustrations. You reflect on you yourself, that you're going to be that kind of person. Let your emotions going to control you, and forever you want to be successful is a difficult path for you. Alright? So that's very important. That's why I say emotions equal to life. Emotions equal to success. By controlling your emotions, it will determine your future success. Have a thought about it. Don't let other people control you through the incidents happening around you, but instead control yourself, your life by controlling emotions. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video of mine, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Well Architect to You, and also like our social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Bye, and see you in the next episode.